Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. Today's reading is going to be different, Taurus. I'll be picking cards for those who are in a connection and for those who are single, guys. So, the first set of cards are for those who are in a relationship, and these are for those who are single, guys. These are the cards. So let's start with the first set of cards, Taurus, for those of you who are in a relationship. We have Six of Fire, Two of Earth, and Messenger of Air. So in your situation, in your relationship, you are trying to bring that understanding between both of you, make this relationship work. You are making great efforts for this connection, guys, for this love. And maybe for some of you, you are reacting too fast. Maybe whatever this person says or whatever they do, maybe you have some idea based on your past, maybe. So your experiences of your past relationship is affecting the way you are today, guys, in this connection, in this love. So you are reacting to that past, whatever hurt you would have felt that time. So that is what is clouding your mind or clouding your decisions today, guys, Taurus. But if you give that up, you are simply going to feel happy because you will know what is right there in front of you in your present situation, guys. So things are going in a positive way, guys, if you stop reacting impulsively in your situation. And you have that confidence. So no matter what this person is telling you, you love them, you have that love for them, and you have faith on them, and you are simply radiating that confidence in your actions, and this person feels greatly influenced when they are there with you, or it may be your energy, guys. You feel influenced when you are with this person. So I see that though certain things are not uh, going in a positive way in this love, overall this is a very good connection, guys, that you are having with this person, Taurus. So let's see what are these cards for those who are single. We have Queen of Earth, Messenger of Fire, and Call. So for those who are single, Taurus, you have a particular dream about your person, guys. Um, so some kind of qualities or expectations that you have in this person. So you want them and you are expecting such a person to come towards you, guys, and you are really practical also. So what kind of person will be the right one for you? You have that clarity and you are expecting such a person for you, guys, Taurus, in your situation. And I see that whatever your dream person is, whatever qualities, you may be able to find someone today, guys, because I see that you are progressing in a positive way in your relationship, Taurus. So the right person for you is going to be here. You just have to have that faith, guys, in your life, in yourself. So that person will find you, or you will find that person uh, whom you have dreamt for yourself, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards for your situation, guys. Taurus, whoever is single. And that is the reading. If you want more clarity in your situation, Taurus, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards and it is going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card, guys. So you can meditate for a few seconds in silence, then close your eyes and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card, your first card. Let's see what it is. Commitment, such a beautiful card here for you all today, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So this energy with this card is that sometimes we stop seeing life as it is, that is there each and every moment right before us, guys, engaging us, and we can become careless sometimes. We do not what to say have that attention for how things are going, and we do so many things. We force certain circumstances or certain things that need not be forced, because when we do that, we are emotionally struggling, and in our heart of hearts we will be troubled, and this can make our way seem uncertain, and doubts will crowd upon our heart. So we will be doubtful whether what we expect is going to come towards us or not. So we need to trust in the universe, guys, and give up the fear surrounding our desires. So we should allow life to move us, not we should not try moving life. So that is the way forward in the life path. So that is what needs to be seen by you right now with this card, guys. You need to have that clarity, that certainty. So you should not doubt what you're feeling right now. Maybe that is true. Maybe deep in your heart you may have certain thoughts. So that is the truth and it is real. And you are being led in that particular way. Maybe in your heart of hearts you know certain things, and you may have you may incline towards that path or towards that action. When that happens, you have to go for it, guys. So today you just simply need to take each step at a time and live in the present moment. When you do that, you will have so much peace, stillness, happiness in your heart, guys. So that is the guidance with this card, this Rumi oracle card, guys, and it comes with a few lines of poetry. So I will read the poetry and I will end the reading for this card. The awakened heart is like a lantern. Keep it sheltered from the turbulence of the winds of desire. Rumi. So that is the poetry, guys. So let's see. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. So we will start with the second card for those who have chosen this card. We will see what it is. It is kyanite, that is the oracle spirit, the crystal spirit for you all today, guys. And this uh, crystal, it stands for resolving disputes, having that diplomacy and restoring harmony in our situation, mending the fences and building bridges. So this is an excellent time for us to fix all that sore notes that have appeared in our relationship, in our life, resolving any disputes and healing any rifts once and for all. So we can have our own way, and we will gain tremendous support when we let go of our rigid my way or the highway attitude. So sometimes we have to recognize that we are all imperfect. So no need to worry about that. And when we tune into others, try to work with other people in our life, we work towards harmony. So we are all, though we are all imperfect, we should have that fairness towards the people we are in relationship with, guys, or in our family. So love and commitment to fairness is what is going to heal us today, and that is what is this oracle's guidance. So we have to go for that healing energy today, guys, for those who have chosen this card. And that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.